And here you can add encore. If you win a lottery in Canada, the entire money is yours. You don't pay any taxes. Be it a million, 10 million, 80 million, the entire money is yours. Now, I don't know why I'm making this video, but I thought it can be helpful for some of you. Whenever I would walk into shopping mall or grocery store, I would find these forms kept all over the lottery ticket counter, and I was too shy to ask how to play a lottery. Now, that's what I'm going to explain in today's video. I'll show you everything what is here one by one. Before we even get into the video, know your limit, play within it. All of these have encore. You can see here, play encore. So any of these you buy, you can also add encore with that. The retail store and pick this form. This is pick 2 and this costs $2 per ticket. So you can play up to 5 tickets with one form. You see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in each ticket, you have this first digit and second digit 0 to 9. You have to pick your digit here. If you make any mistake, just do a void here and that retail person will know this is not the ticket to be picked. So for example, this is your selection like I'm showing. And the draw happens daily. If the number matches, you get $99. If only one number matches, then you get $2. So it's simple, straightforward winning. And here you can add encore. When you add encore, say you want one encore, you pay $1 extra. If you have bought one ticket, $2 plus one encore, $3 you pay to the retail counter. If you want to go with 10 encore, then in that case, $2 plus 10, $12 you pay. That's how it works. If you go for more number of tickets, then you fill accordingly. Now you can play continuously up to 10 draws in a row. So since this happens daily, so if you want to go for next 10 days, you select 10 and whatever you pick from, here, that will get added up and multiplied by this. For example, I pick this, which is $2. Encore, say I pick 10, so that becomes $12. And then if I go for next 10 days, it is total of $120. So this is how pick 2 works. To know the winning number, I have the OLG app on my mobile. That's the easiest. And once you have that and you scan, you get instant message on what happened. Congratulations, $2. So for this Lotto 649, I won $2 more. Again, likewise, when you scan, sometimes you get to play again, like you can see here, and sometimes you don't win. So these are the few options. You can also go to the retail outlet where they have the scanner and you can get to scan and see if you have had any winning. So friends, lottery is a game of luck and not everyone can win. I sometimes play for fun. There's nothing which can replace hard work and being smart. So when I say being smart, there are many other opportunities like having your own business, starting something which you are passionate about, dedicating time there and being smart about what you do. So there are many other videos you can go and watch on my channel where I have shown how to start a business, how we can go and find permit, licensing, all those aspects of business which might be handy to you. And you are not trying there on your luck, but being smart and putting some effort towards your own success story. I hope this helps. Thank you.